I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by prepping the scene. Open Roblox Studio, make sure Explorer and Properties are visible, and select the tree model you will animate. Once selected, add a motor 6D or hinge constraint at the trunk joint to give rotational movement, and place a vector force or wind object nearby to simulate directional push. Make sure to anchor only the root where appropriate, not the entire mesh. These initial nodes create the mechanical basis for swaying, so get them positioned and named clearly before moving on. Once done with constraints, rig the control script. You will create a script that adjusts motor 6D. C0 or applies force via vector force each frame. Use Perlin noise or a combination of sine waves to produce organic, non-repetitive motion. This explains why trees look natural versus robotic. Make sure to expose amplitude, frequency, and damping as easier-to-tweak variables so you can iterate. Also, handle delta time when updating values so sway remains stable at different frame rates. Finalizing, you will test and play solo, then tweak amplitude and damping until motion feels right. Make sure to transfer network ownership of moving parts to the server or client as appropriate, because improper ownership causes jitter. If you see snapping, clamp angular velocities and smooth target rotations with math. Lerp or C-frame, lerp, this reduces sudden pops. When done, save variants for different tree sizes. If problems persist, check constraint limits and confirm no conflicting scripts are driving the same joints.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.